Hello, to today's short informational video, we'll be talking about ChatGPT for real estate. So, firstly, let me introduce you to ChatGPT. It's a large language model trained by OpenAI based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. Essentially, it's an artificial intelligence platform that can generate human-like responses to text-based input. It has the capability to learn from vast amount of data, including text, images and videos, and it can be used for a wide range of applications, including natural language processing, chatbots and more. Now, for example, ChatGPT can be used to create personalized chatbots that can assist customers in their real estate search. These chatbots can answer common questions about properties, provide recommendations based on customer preferences, and even handle a property viewing. In addition, ChatGPT can be used to analyze vast amount of real estate data, such as market trends and property prices, to provide valuable insights to real estate professionals. This can help them make better informed decisions and stay ahead of competition. ChatGPT can also be used to generate high quality property descriptions and marketing material by analyzing the features of the property and the preferences of potential buyers. ChatGPT can generate customized descriptions and marketing material that are more likely to attract interested buyers. So, in conclusion, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the real estate industry. From chatbots to data analysis to marketing materials, it can be used for a wide range of applications. By learning the power of artificial intelligence, real estate professionals can provide better services to their customers and they stay ahead of the competition. So, I asked ChatGPT for some more benefits. You can read them out. Of course, you can go to ChatGPT and ask it by yourself and see what it can do more for you. Of course, if you need something, you can ask in the comments, or if you are interested in some ChatGPT or other stuff, you can visit our channel. We have tutorials and informational videos on our channel. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick informational video today. Please leave a like and leave a subscribe, it's free, and see you in the next one. Bye.